there, it's Kathleen of the Allergy Chef, and today I want to show you guys how to make a super easy dessert that I promise your children will, not only will they clean the house for you, they will, what else will you guys do for these things?
Pretty much anything.
Pretty much anything. They'll do anything for cake balls. So the first thing you need is a large mixing bowl and a fork. You don't want to do this with a stand mixer because it's really easy to overmix, and then you just have mush. Now here I have our award-winning chocolate cake, and you're just going to dump the whole cake in your bowl. And here I have vanilla frosting. Now if you need a good vanilla frosting recipe, we have plenty of those on our Raise membership website, and we have different versions. We even have a paleo version, and we have a sugar-free version, and of course the standard version, and then a corn-free version. So no matter what, we've got it covered. So you're going to just lightly break up your cake a little bit. So it should look like this. Now if you want to add extra flavoring agents like a little bit of peppermint oil or orange oil, you can absolutely do that for extra fun. With your vanilla frosting, if you want to add something more festive, you can definitely color it. So here I've got an ice cream scooper, and how much frosting you use, it's kind of up to you, but there is a general ratio, and for me, I just happen to know it when I see it. So I'm going to start with 6 pretty level scoops using an ice cream scooper. And what you'll do is just mix it up like this. And with enough mixing, you'll end up really with a nice blob of cake balls. Now, remember when I said don't use a stand mixer? If you were to use a stand mixer, it would just overpower your cake crumb, and it's why you notice I'm doing a lot of folding action. It's because I don't want to completely obliterate my cake. I want everyone to kind of chew it a little bit and understand, oh, I'm eating cake and frosting. So this is what it looks like. And this is how you know you have good cake ball. Okay, from here you have a few choices. You can scoop these into like little mini muffin type pans, and you can fridge it, you can freeze it, or you can leave it, and then people can sort of eat it. It is a little bit of a messy dessert. Alternatively, you can freeze them, and then you can melt down chocolate and put your chocolate in a bowl like this and simply dunk your cake balls. If your chocolate is hot and your cake balls are frozen, it will set the chocolate almost instantly. It's really, really great. Now, for us personally, I actually leave it just like this. And the kids, they like it in the fridge, and they come by and they just take scoops of it and they eat it. And this is probably one of the easiest desserts you'll ever make. Now, at Christmas time, it's something really fun to do. We like to get top 8 free candy canes. We crush them up in a bag. And what I do is I scoop these into a muffin liner, and then we just sprinkle crushed candy cane on top. You guys, it's so good. There's so much you can do with cake ball, and you can take this format and use any flavor cake with any flavor frosting. Like for example, you could do something super elegant with rose. So like a rose cake, vanilla frosting, put some white chocolate on top and a little edible flower. Oh, it's so good. So have fun with it. Go forth and cake ball. Thanks for watching. Hey there, thanks for watching today. If you liked the video, leave us a comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell.